Hey everybody, it's Ted from Think Tank Photo. I'm excited today to introduce the latest addition to our popular Walker Pro backpack series, the Walker Pro Rolling Backpack. If you've used a rolling camera case, you know it can be a struggle to pull it over rough terrain like grass, gravel, or up a long staircase. To solve this dilemma, we've integrated deployable backpack straps that enable you to carry the roller on your back. Like other bags in the Walker Pro series, the camera compartment offers more depth for gripped or caged camera bodies. There's also additional personal carry pockets and a dedicated padded sleeve for laptop or tablet. We also include high-quality YKK RC Fuse zippers, water-repellent coatings, and replaceable parts, so your bag can endure rigorous daily use for years to come. And like all Think Tank rolling bags, the Walker Pro Rolling Backpack features an extremely robust, custom-designed trolley handle that's also replaceable. The Walker Pro Rolling Backpack is a high-capacity, convertible backpack roller built for working professionals. Now let's take a look at what fits in the camera compartment. Inside the 30-liter camera compartment, the adjustable divider system will accommodate one gripped body, one standard body, and 5 to 7 additional lenses. Here we have a caged Nikon Z8, a Z6, 4 more lenses, a flash, and other accessories. The maximum lens size is a 400 f2.8. You can also fit a 16-inch MacBook Pro or a 13-inch iPad Pro in the dedicated padded sleeve. There's also a zippered pocket on the sleeve to secure small items. As you can see, we specifically designed the interior to maximize the amount of gear you can carry on a US or international airline. Now let's take a look at some of the key features that make the Walker Pro Rolling Backpack so awesome. The most important feature is the deployable harness system that is fully adjustable to fit a wide range of torso sizes. Wide dual-density foam shoulder straps wrapped in Ultra Spandura offer comfortable carry, while a breathable air mesh covered back panel keeps your back cool and dry. The adjustable sternum strap is removable, and the fold-down lumbar support cushions your lower back. The roller feature set includes our telescoping handle that's reinforced for added strength and has rubber touch points for extra comfort. Our proprietary wheels with stainless steel bearings are extremely durable and make rolling through airports and sidewalks a breeze. I should also note that the trolley handle, wheels, wheel housings, and feet are all replaceable to greatly extend the life of your bag. This is a key advantage of all Think Tank rollers. Now let's look at some of the external carry options. You can attach a tripod to either side of the bag or put a travel tripod on the front panel by inserting 2 of the legs into the lowered zippered pocket and securing the top with the included tripod strap. The pleated side pockets will fit larger tripods and include attachment points on either side for the tripod strap, or you can use them for a water bottle. There are also long daisy chains on both straps to attach accessories. The main camera compartment is protected by a lockable YKK RC Fuse zipper. The organizer pocket on the front of the bag has a stretch mesh pocket and a zippered pocket for smaller items with a key lanyard. There's also a zippered pocket that's lined with microfiber to protect your phone, and a pocket at the bottom for flat items. On the top of the bag, there's a padded ergonomic grab handle and a clear window for a business card or ID tag. The Walker Pro Rolling Backpack is made with top quality materials and components, and the back panel is reinforced with Hypalon for added durability. All materials are treated with a water-resistant coating, and we include a seam-sealed rain cover for heavy downpour situations. So that's the updated Walker Pro Rolling Backpack. With its high capacity, versatile carry options, and no compromise materials, the Walker Pro is ideal for professional and advanced amateur photographers alike. Thanks for watching.